Nangaral ngayon.
Hey guys, it's me again, VJ Palanca, proud to be your host for an hour of wonderful music only here on Mix Live. Our guest today is one of the country's most famous crooners, none other than, of course, the multi-talented Marco Sison.
I'll face tomorrow, leaving my tears behind. Sadness I'll put out of my mind and live my life anew. No place for sorrow, happiness fills my eyes. I know I should have realized that love was always you. Too many times I cried, trusting in love that wasn't true. All through the years you tried to show that my love was meant for you. I'll face tomorrow, of love so strong. I know that nothing could go wrong as long as I have you. No place for sorrow, happiness fills my eyes. I know should have realized that love was always you. Too many times I cried, trusting in love that wasn't true. All through the years I tried to show that my love meant for you. When I'm all alone, pretending no one come along, and even when you're gone, still that love lingers on. Then suddenly such emptiness. An evening just like this brings loneliness. 'Cause 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 ' Those words were said as if they're true. We knew our love was strong, even though it was wrong. So I just put all these thoughts in a song. It's just a make-believe, but I just can't go on without your smile, without your touch, without your love. It's just a make-believe, but I just can't go on. I need your smile, I need your touch, I need your now the night is through. It's time for me to say adieu. I'm longing for the past, but it just couldn't last. So I just put all these thoughts in a song. It's just a make-believe, but I just can't go on without your smile, without your touch, without your love. It's just a make-believe, but I just can't go on. I need your smile, I need your touch, I need your love. Make believe is very good to me kasi yun ang unang-una kong hit song and it totally changed my life as a singer. Tapos naging gold pa siya. Actually this was in 1982. Actually kung i-ano mo ngayon i-award mo ulit siya ngayon, medyo double platinum na siya. Kasi ibang number of units dati in the 80s. Pag sinabing gold, ang value nun ngayon, platinum.
Tol, di ka na totoy, nasa edad ka na, kaya mo na tol, magpakita ng tapa.
Can I buy you a beer?
May gatas ka pa sa labi.
Go 45,
Now, can I buy you a beer?
go 45, kaya mo na tol, wala nang gano sa labi, kaya dali ng sarili. Go 45, kaya mo na tol.
With our guest, Marco Season, of course. Marco, thank you for gracing the show today.
My pleasure.
Yep. We all know that you've been part of the local music scene for some time now.
Yeah.
And basically, I want to ask you, what do you think about what do you think makes your music likable for young and old alike?
Oh, madaling sagutin yan. It's basically love songs. Kasi, di ba, I record about people's experiences about love. And basically, a lot of people can relate to that. So, it's it's just different during the 80s, and it's different now, but it's basically about love. So it's easier to understand if you record a love song for me than a novelty, parang, di ba?
So, well, okay, you mentioned that it's different from since the 80s up to today. It's different. So,
The emotion is different,
Yeah.
the lyrics are different.
okay, so how did you have a hard time dealing with the changes in of course music, as far as music's concerned?
As far as the music is concerned, no, not really, because as a singer, you have to be flexible as far as your style is concerned. So, ibabagay mo yung even if it's an old song, you adjust your rendition to the uso nowadays. So dati, I remember there's only one singer who's making kulot in a song. It was Basil Valdez. But now all singers do that. So
They all actually sound the same now,
Yeah.
more or less. They have the same style.
because of the R&B style. And,
Yeah.
I do that once in a while, pero hindi naman hanggang out of character na. So a little bit of everything is good.
Yeah, that's true.
Even if it's an old song, like I said.
Yeah. Okay, we also know, aside from being a singer, you're also an actor.
I used to be.
Okay, let's say now you're
Okay.
offered to do, let's say, a certain role. Is there any role in particular that you'd like to play?
Any role, basta bida.
Bida. Can I ask why? Can I ask why you don't want? Why don't you want to be a contrabida or
I as a contrabida.
Let's say they offered you a psychotic killer or something like that.
Psychotic. I don't know if I can do that. I am psychotic off camera. No, I don't know. I don't really know if I can do that. Kasi it's the last movie I did was like in 11 years ago. It's in 1982. So 1992. So aminin ko na hindi na ako masyadong umaarte actually. So so I'd have a hard time accepting that role.
That
that you're
psychotic
telling me.
role.
Pero kung pabida-bida lang, okay lang, di ba? Kasi bida, good roles lang eh.
Good boy.
Good boy effect, parang gano'n.
Well, that's my dream role, to be a psychotic killer. Mark
Oh,
that
yeah?
down. No, anyway, ladies and gentlemen, once again, Marcus Eason. Thank you.
Thanks. O pare ko, ang kwento ko'y pakinggan mo. Baka sakali ako ay iyong matulungan sa problema ko. Sino sa tatlo ang isosyota ko? Parang awa mo na pare, si Aida o si Lona o si Fe. Lahat sila'y magaganda, mayaman na at sexy pa. Barkada ko'y naiinggit na nga sa akin, ako raw ay pangling. Hindi nila alam na pakahirap dalhin. Tulungan mo ko pare, si Aida o si Lona o si Fe. Kawawang puso, dumudugo, nalilito kung sino kaya. Sino kaya ang pipiliin at gagawin kong aking pag-ibig na tunay? O kay gulo, naiinis na nga ako sa dinami-dami ba naman ng babae sa buong mundo. Bakit ba ako nababaliw sa tatlo? Sabihin mo na pare, si Aida o si Lona o si Fe. Kawawang puso, dumudugo, nalilito kung sino kaya. Sino kaya ang pipiliin at gagawin kong aking pag-ibig na tunay?
O kay gulo, o kay gulo, naiinis na nga ako. Sa dinami-dami ba naman ng babae sa buong mundo? Di ba ako nababaliw sa tatlo? Sabihin mo na pare, si Aida o si Lona o si Fer. Sa dinami-dami ba naman ng babae sa buong mundo? Bakit pa ako nababaliw sa tatlo? Sabihin mo na pare, si Aida o si Lona o si Fer.
Thank you, salamat po. I was shocked when Louie Ocampo gave that song to me. I was expecting a really, really romantic love song, especially from Louie Ocampo. And he gave me si Aida o si Lorna o si Fe. Medyo hindi ko siya makuha. But he said, Marco, i-record mo to at siguradong mag-hit to. This was released in 1991 and it really made good. And thank you, Louie. At sa lahat mo ng mga lalaki may ganitong problema, para sa inyo po to.
Gets rough and your dreams just fall apart, and sometimes you feel that you can't go on. Be strong, hold on, for my love will keep you warm through the coldest night, through the rain, through the storm. When friends turn their backs on you, and you're so helpless, you don't know what to do, I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, just reach out and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall, and you need a shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is come, and I'll be there with a helping hand. When the road seems so long and endless, and all you see is nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk on, have faith in your heart, for my love will see you through. My love will see you through. When you reach for your star, when you cross the deepest sea, when you climb the highest hill, my love will always be with you in everything you do, in every step you make, in every road you take. Don't be afraid to follow your dreams, for my love will see you through.
Thank you. My love will see you through. Kahit ako magpuntang videoke bars, karaoke bars, sa kanto, sa VIP room, kahit saan, kinakanta to. And I'm very thankful to all the people for supporting this song kasi ito yung, I'm very proud to say this, na ito consistently number 1 among the OPM songs. Number 2, next to My Way, overall. So, parang national anthem na siya. Kasama rin to dun sa bago kong album. It's a new version of My Love Will See You Through. Medyo acoustic version to. So, you watch for it.
Tol, di ka na totoy. Nasa edad ka na. Kaya mo na, tol. Papakita ng tapang.
Can I buy you a beer?
May gatas ka pa sa labi?
Go 45.
Now, can I buy you a beer?
Go 45. Kaya mo na, tol. Wala nang gatas sa labi. Kayang dalhin ang sarili. Go 45. Kaya mo na, tol.
Only Marcos season. Sir, okay, so far, what has been the most memorable moment in your career?
Most memorable moment in my career.
Something that you just can't forget about.
It has to be my my first concert my first solo concert as a singer. I mean, from struggling singer to a singer.
To who you are today. To
Yeah.
what made you who you are today.
Yes, it should be my first solo concert, and this was in Legazpi, somewhere in the Bicol region, and I was very nervous because it was that was my first time to perform,
Yeah.
and a lot of people came, and I was so flattered, and I just wanted to go to the bathroom and do what I'm supposed to do because of nervousness.
But I'm sure it pretty much was a success, no?
Oh yeah,
That's
it was a
for sure.
success, Yes.
Wow. I wish
Kind
that,
of, you know.
I wish that could happen to me one day, my own solo concert. But anyway,
Yeah, you can
as a-
sing. I've heard you sing before. Yes, you can.
Because all lovers of music have certain, idols or people that we basically grew up with listening to. Is there any musician today that you are a fan of?
Not one, but several. I'm a fan of Michael Bublé. I'm a fan of Lani Misalucha, Augie Alcacid as a composer and a singer at the same time.
Can I ask, like, why you idolize these certain people? Is it the style of their music, the way they sing, or? Whoa.
It's the way they sing. It's the songs that they sing also. For example, in the case of Michael Bublé, he sings old songs. I grew up singing those songs, so I'm very familiar with the songs that he recorded in that album. In the case of Augie, he's a good singer and a good composer at the same time. I envy him because I tried many times to compose my own song and I couldn't do it. I mean, I can, but it was all a flop, I guess. And then, kay Lani naman, it's the way she sings. She's, her voice, the quality of her voice is not, it's for international market. It's
Yeah,
not
Miss
for-
Lani
it's-
is
It's not just for the
exceptional.
Philippines. Yeah.
She's very exceptional. She's an exceptional singer.
Yeah.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up once again for Mr. Marco Season.
Thank you.
I will be always. Promise I'll give you the best, my love. You mean more than life to me.
love you more than words can say. You'll be the only one that I love always, forever to cherish. I want you close to me and hold you with me. And there's nothing one more. I need you. I need to have you in my life. Oh, I want you always by my side, now and always. Whisper these words to me, that we would always be together. You and me forever. I want to give you all my love, my heart, my soul, my life, everything that I am. Always. Narito lang ako, naghihintay ng mahalin, umaasa kahit di man ngayon mapapansin mo rin, mapapansin mo rin. Alam ko di mo makita, narito lang ako, hinihintay lagi kita, umaasa kahit di man ngayon, hahanapin mo rin, hahanapin rin pagdating
Baka ikaw rin na ako, baka tibok ng puso ko'y maging tibok ng puso mo. Sana nga'y mangyari yun, kahit di pa lang ngayon. Sana ay mahalin mo rin pagdating ng panahon. Alam kong hindi mo alam, narito lang ako, naghihintay kahit kailan, nangangarap kahit di man ngayon. Mamahalin mo rin, mamahalin mo rin pagdating ng panahon. Baka ikaw rin at ako, baka tibok ng puso ko'y maging tibok ng puso mo. Sana nga'y mangyari yun, kahit di pa lang ngayon. Sana ay mahalin mo rin pagdating ng panahon. Di pa siguro bukas, di pa rin ngayon. Malay mo balang araw, dumating din yun. Pagdating ng panahon, baka ikaw rin at ako, baka tibok ng puso ko'y maging tibok ng puso mo. Sana nga'y mangyari yun, kahit di pa lang ngayon. Sana ay mahalin mo rin pagdating ng panahon. Salamat po.
Ako yata yung male version nung pagdating ng panahon. Ang pagdating ng panahon broke the R&B hip-hop momentum, kumbaga, ng local music industry. All of a sudden, this beautiful song came out and boom, it was a hit. It was number one all over the Philippines. Every radio station was playing it. So, pinakikita lang na ang kultura ng Pilipino is all about love songs. It's very sentimental. Gusto natin yung mga ganong kanta na merong kinalaman sa buhay natin. Huwag nating kakalimutan yun dahil yun talaga tayo. That's why this song really made good. It's because of that. It's very Filipino. Ang emotion is Filipino. The arrangement, it's really very Filipino. Okay lang yung magaling tayong gumaya ng konti sa foreign music. Pero, huwag nating kakalimutan yung talagang ating tunog, ang ating kultura na inailalagay natin sa isang magandang kanta tulad ng pagdating ng panahon.
Anything you wanna tell your fans, your audience, what they should watch out for
I have a new album that's coming out. It's under Universal Records. Actually, the songs that I sang with you guys in this show, um, kasama yun sa bago kong album. It's in CD, VCD, and DVD.
Oh.
Yeah, it's gonna come out soon, hopefully. And um, I'd like to thank also all the people who watched us in Greatest Hits in Araneta last August 2, and then yung repeat namin on September 26, also at the Araneta Coliseum. Thank you so much for coming over. We enjoyed it, really.
Oh, there you go. So, Marco, I want to say also, first of all, thank you for hanging out with us here today on Mix Live. We really enjoyed your show. It was very romantic. Makes me want to go home already and,
And
sleep, take a break, relax with, your loved one. Anyway, time's almost up, but Mix Live will always be here for you guys for your enjoyment. Tonight we had Marco Season, and before anything else, I would like to thank Southview Seafood Restaurant, Universal Records, and Lyric Piano for their support in making this whole show possible. Thank you again, of course, for watching Mix Live. And before I go, before I give you Marco Season again, I want to say thank you to my Mix family, to Oakley, and of course to my one and only. Thank you very much, guys, the viewers. Marco Season in the house, ladies and gentlemen.
thank you.
Thank you, Marco.
When you said that you would never leave me, you told me more, so much more than when the time you whispered in my ear. There was heaven in my heart. I remember when you said that you'd be here forever. Then you left without even saying that you I was hurt, but it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone and oh, so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within. I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I just dream of you tonight, and if into my dreams you come and touch me once again. I just keep on dreaming till my heart extends. And then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, but it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone and oh, so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of burden from within. I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I just dream of you tonight, and if into my dreams you come and touch me once again, I'll just keep on dreaming till my heart extends. Whoa, I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within. Just keep on dreaming.